Alright guys, well, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick wheel swap on this Lamborghini. So it's going to be a very short video. I just want to see this car with different wheels. So let's drill it apart and continue with the video. Guys, there it is, and of course I have a video on those wheels, so feel free to look for it. They look very nice. So again, this was a quick video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for the notifications. See you on the next one. Peace out.